Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize OBS Studio for recording to YouTube via Streamlabs, full guide step by step clearly. Open your browser and go to the YouTube website. Sign in to your YouTube account if you aren't already logged in. Navigate to the YouTube Studio by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner. In the YouTube Studio, look for the Settings option on the left sidebar. Click on Settings to open the Settings menu. Select the Channel tab within the Settings menu. From the Channel tab, go to the Feature Eligibility section. Ensure your account is verified and in good standing for live streaming. Next, download and install OBS Studio if you haven't done so already. Once OBS Studio is installed, open the application. Now, open Streamlabs and log in to your account. In Streamlabs, go to the Settings icon located in the lower left corner. Under Settings, select the Output tab. Set the output mode to Advanced to configure more detailed recording settings. In the Recording section, select your desired recording format, usually .mp4 or .mkv. Next, ensure that the audio device settings match your requirements for sound capture. Click on the Stream tab within the Streamlabs settings. Select YouTube as your streaming platform. You will need to retrieve your YouTube stream key. To get your stream key, go back to YouTube Studio and click on Create. Select Go Live to access the live streaming interface. In the live streaming setup, find the stream key under Stream Settings. Copy the stream key and return to Streamlabs. Paste the stream key in the corresponding field in Streamlabs. Adjust any additional settings you prefer in Streamlabs for your stream, such as video bitrate and resolution. Now, go back to OBS Studio and set up a new scene. Add a new source by clicking the plus icon under the Sources box. Choose your desired source type, such as display capture or game capture. Configure the source settings as necessary and click OK. Resize and arrange the source in the OBS window to your liking. To start streaming, click the Start Streaming button in OBS Studio. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.